Unit 10. You guys ready for the weekend? Here we are, last day of week number 2. We're flying through. Unit 10 is the changing life of people in the high Middle Ages. Got readings from chapter 10 and Western Society, and also the sources. No extra reading, no discarded image, no turning points today. Finish off this week with a little bit of a light reading there. Quiz on chapter 10 in Western Society. In our Something to Do section here, we'll look through some links having to do a bit with Jewish-Christian relations. Kind of something that's interesting here as we see different religions interacting with one another. So check out these links here and take the survey as well. For Something to Write, you have a various journal you can be focusing in on there for unit number 10. And of course, our interaction time will be our discussion board. So you've made it here to the end of the second full week. We are actually chronologically halfway done after you finish this unit. Next week will be our last week of units, and then we'll have some time working the term paper. Ask you just maybe think a little bit about that term paper. On Monday, we'll have a couple of activities just to kind of help you hone that idea, or that sort of like seed of an idea into something that might actually be a viable research topic. But for the time being, just kind of bounce around in your mind some things you might want to be thinking about as you go forward into working on your term paper. But here we are, the end of week number 2 for unit number 10.